Most people won't take my word for it why people are starting home-based businesses in the digital marketing space. Let's use one of the tools that I offer to the marketplace and let's see what it says. So people are realizing you trade 40 plus hours a week for a paycheck that barely covers your bills. No matter how hard you work, your income is capped by whatever your boss decides you're worth. People are waking up to the fact that this model was never designed for freedom. 20 years ago, if you wanted to start a business, you needed a storefront, inventory, employees, and a pile of cash. Now you just need a laptop and Wi-Fi. And it says regular people, not tech geniuses, not marketing experts, are building real income from their couch, their kitchen table, their phone, on lunch break, because the tools exist now that didn't exist before. And 2 referrals and you're already in profit. It's specifically talking about our 3 core products, and it says 24 referrals and you've got a full-time income. That's not a fantasy. It's just math. Now we do recurring products, so we teach retention, holding customers month after month, giving them value so they stay, and that's how you build a real recurring income, and you don't have to start over every single month like in just about every other way to make money. You know, they think you got to be a salesperson. The fact that we have a done for you system, literally an AI that answers questions on the website and closes sales 24/7. It's not saying it's gonna make everyone buy that visits the website. What it's pretty much saying is we have a lot of softwares in place to help you convert better. You can learn how to build your own personal website within this platform, or you can use our done for you solution and just get off to the races in learning attraction marketing and learning marketing. Once you learn marketing, you can sell anything. And you can use our platform to sell it because we have the tools. A lot of people don't want to start over every single month. They want to be able to carry over what they made last month into this month, and that's how you snowball into income you want. When you can do it in the margins of your life. So you don't have to quit your job. You don't need 8 hours a day. I record a lot of my content from 7 a.m. to 11. That's what I post throughout the day. On my page is my actual site where you can type it in and get more information on this platform. But people are tired of the grind, tired of being told to be grateful for a job that's slowly draining them, tired of watching other people figure this out while they stay stuck. And for the first time, there's tools and systems like what we offer that make it possible for regular people to actually do this, not just marketing pros, not just the influencers, regular people who are willing to stop overthinking. Starting an online business isn't some trendy thing, people do because it's cool. People are doing it because the old way isn't working anymore, and now there's actually a realistic path to build something that pays you, whether you're at your desk or at a beach with your family. I love that we're software based, so if owners of this platform were to rip the income opportunity out, these tools will still help you go and package any idea up and be able to sell it on the internet and make money. And a lot of people cannot say this. So if you ever wondering what is it that I do, I offer software and education solutions for people who want to learn how to sell through video and how to use softwares to scale a business on the internet. And you can start with offering this platform to people who are selling a product, to people who just want to get started, and even to traditional businesses. You cannot say after watching this video, you do not know something that can make you money outside of your job.